여러분 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
안녕.
We are here. We're here.
Busan.
We're in Busan.
We made it. Woo!
Yes.
What up?
Okay, so
안녕.
stop it. Okay now. Alright, so what we're gonna do a cooking challenge today, including my family, Loi's family, and Wing. Okay, so we're
Technically
gonna
our family, but okay.
yes, we're going to be making or preparing K-barbecue. And the challenge that we're gonna be doing today is the
Blind deaf me.
mute, deaf, blind challenge. So me and Wing have prepared a little raffle thingy. So everyone's gonna come up here and we're going to choose a number, and the number is associated with on what you are going to do.
We're not doing the same thing. Let's start.
What do you want me to do with that?
Does anyone know how to turn on the induction stuff?
I tell them. Okay. Adi, unbox this.
Adi, you have to tell me. Okay, are we starting? Are we starting now?
Okay. Wait, why are we bringing up the
salmon?
unbox this?
What the hell am I holding?
This is the fish.
This is the job of the
That's
mute and the
sashimi.
deaf person.
You have to.
I'm doing it right now.
You have to unbox.
Wait, so we're starting now?
Wait.
Yes, we're already starting. Wait, Adi, go here.
I'm mute.
Go here.
Okay.
Go here, Adi.
Where is it? Is it top?
Okay, Adi. Wait, hold on. Excuse me.
What are we cooking first? Yo,
Okay, here.
somebody over there is
your
not.
station.
Somebody's over there not even blind and they're dropping hella shit.
Why are you eating already?
What am I holding?
Okay, you open it? Okay.
Can I wash my hands?
Denise, do something.
What? Where's
Okay,
the
babe.
rice? The rice
Babe.
needs to be
Babe.
microwaved. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Adi, why did you leave your station?
I need to wash my hands.
No, why are you not talking?
I'm not allowed to cook.
You're-
And you're not
you're
supposed to be able to hear me. So that's why I'm making hand gestures to you. If you're responding, that means you can hear me.
What is he saying? Wait, okay, I'll do this. Okay.
The blind people cook.
Kick. I think kick.
No?
Where's the mute people?
Okay. I'll make this.
Hey, no,
I'm not
he's
gonna touch the
cook.
goddamn stove.
Baby, come here.
Make the mute people cook. Holy shit. I feel like look and see.
Babe, okay. What? Okay, babe.
No, you don't give me instructions. I give you
Arrange
instructions.
Get the chopsticks.
Then arrange the plate.
What am I supposed to do with these chocolates if I can't see shit?
Wait, baby, get the chopsticks.
Okay.
This is a plate. Okay? A plate.
Hold up.
It's the plate, okay? This is the sashimi. Okay? You take the sashimi.
Are you guys brainless? How am I supposed to do this without seeing
No,
it?
you do it. That's your job.
Dude, I can't do it.
Why is she responding to you? You're not supposed to be responding to you.
Adi, come here, Adi.
Huh?
Adi, this is egg. Okay, go here.
My
Adi.
music stopped
This
playing.
is
I'm gonna
egg.
put it on.
Open it.
Who is
Open
this?
it, okay?
I just washed my hands too.
Tap me on the left. Tap me on this if you're
I
Denise.
changed my
Here
mind.
if you're me.
You know what? Don't do it. Don't do it.
No.
No.
What am I
Do
doing,
it here.
Wayne?
Do it here.
I did it.
Excuse me.
Why are you talking?
Here. Okay. This is egg. Be careful.
I need
Careful,
my music
be careful.
in. Wait, don't go to
Don't mind the shit.
the music camera.
How do I open it?
I'm gonna play Eugene.
Okay, adding
Yeah,
the
okay.
egg. Crack in here.
You're almost
Crack in
there.
here. Okay.
There's oh my god!
Throw it away.
Where?
Eggshell in there.
Put it back in the thing.
What is that for?
What am I grabbing?
What is that for?
Throw it away.
What is that for? Oh, wait. What?
Trash.
How many?
Fried rice.
How many?
Okay.
What?
No more. No more. No more. No more. No more.
Okay.
Okay. Wash your hands.
Who is
You
this?
guys take up so much
Who
space.
is this? Can you lead me to the
Wait,
sink?
adding. Wait, I need chopsticks. Wait.
I'm not dropping on the counter,
I
am
need
I?
fresh chopsticks.
Am I kicking it?
Where's the?
Am I kicking it?
Wait, I need fresh chopsticks.
Wait.
Where's the
Aim it.
chopsticks?
Aim the plate.
You spilled some.
Wait, I need fresh.
You're just squirting water on me.
Give me fresh chopsticks, please. Oh my god. Where's the fresh chopsticks?
Alright, what do I do now?
Hey, Addie,
Nah.
help me find fresh chopsticks. Addie.
What do you mean?
I need fresh chopsticks.
Maybe it's down here.
I need.
Is it empty?
Oh, Addie, can you get the rice?
Where?
Can you get the rice, please? Oh, okay. Here, Addie, open the rice. Open the rice. Oh, you have to throw it in the microwave. Microwave. No. Microwave.
You're not supposed to be
Okay, hold
talking,
it.
what's that?
All right, I can speak. Good job. You're done.
Timer.
Oh,
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah.
is someone cooking the rice already?
I need chopsticks.
What?
Wait, I need chopstick. Chopstick. No, that's dirty.
You're dirty. I didn't hear you. I hate this. I'm not even like.
Where?
Hey, Adi, come here. Adi, where are you? Here. Here's the bowl. Okay? You gotta whisk the egg. Whisk the egg. Whisk the egg, okay? You got it.
There. Tell me when you're done whisking the egg.
That should be done already.
Babe,
Huh?
come here.
What is that for?
Go to wing again.
Wait, why are you telling me this should be done? You can't even sing straight.
Come on.
God. Ew, I just washed my hands.
Wing? Is it done yet?
Did you wash your hands?
I did.
You did.
What do I do?
Don't use your hands?
What do I do?
Is it done?
Babe, say wait, trust me.
What time is it?
Alright.
This one, herb sauce. A bowl. Kimchi.
What is that?
The frying pan. The rice.
What is it? Who is this?
On a plate.
Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Hey! Look at me! Hey!
What? What?
It's not done. Go!
Wait. Put it down. Mix. Good.
Hey. No, look to your left.
Me. You want to do it? What? Me. Tiny bit. Tiniest bit of sesame oil. This much of sesame oil. Mix. Okay.
God.
1.
Yeah.
Kai.
No.
Yeah.
Serve on the table. 1. Pan.
Knife?
Oh,
Wow.
egg. Crack it. Fried egg.
Drink? You got a drink?
Water.
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 Water? Oi, Philippines! We should probably roast the garlic.
Ask Wing. You're good. Take it out.
Pick it up.
Take it out.
Finally.
We're not done yet, guys. Come on.
Look at Adi.
Well, I did that. Oh my god.
Guys, we have to like wait like 5 minutes.
We're done.
I did that. Look at that, chat. Chat. Ew.
Chat.
Why did I say that? Yuck. Look at
Yeah.
that. I did that.
It's only chat is only valid if you're actually talking to people. So.
But I feel like I got spilled on like 7 different
Did
times.
you say chat on a 101?